Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Jessica and I really hope that you guys stick around for a while by subscribing to my channel if you're not already. And also while you're down there, make sure to give this video a like if you like hair videos on my channel because it definitely lets me know. And also while you're down there, go ahead and hit that notification bell because it will notify you every single time I upload, which is every Wednesday and Sunday. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. A lot of you guys didn't know I had like social media, I guess, and a lot of you guys have recently found me, which is really exciting. So all of that information is listed down below as well, and I really hope to see you over there as well. So yeah guys, for today's video I have a review on this new Creme of Nature pre-shampoo detoxifying clay mask, and this is obviously my first time trying it and I'm really excited. So if you guys would like to see how this product works out for me and my review of it, let's go ahead and get right into it. So getting started, it's a really cute packaging. I picked this up at Walmart. It's just really nice. It's like a sleek gray packaging. It really caught my eye. I honestly forgot this came out, guys. I wanted to try it. It says for all hair types, and I have hair, so I have a hair type. So it says Creme of Nature Clay and Charcoal Collection is infused with a blend of Moroccan Rasoul clay, bentonite clay, and activated charcoal. This collection detoxifies by removing buildup, softens and revitalizes all hair types, instantly leaving hair soft to touch and easy to style. Okay, so it says it cleanses and infuses deep moisture, provides touchable softness, mineral-rich formula detoxifies by removing product buildup, and it controls frizz. So that is all things that I want. So it says directions: on dry hair, before shampooing, apply the mask to the hair section by section, making sure to cover the full head. Leave on up to 10 minutes to absorb excess oils and impurities. Rinse thoroughly and follow with clay and charcoal shampoo and conditioner. I was going to pick up the shampoo and conditioner, but they only had the shampoo. They did not have, the conditioner. So I didn't want to like do the review, so I decided to just do it on this, and I'll just use my regular routine that works for me, that I know will leave me with great results. So I have pre-detangled my hair. My hair is pretty dirty. It's been a week since I washed it. I've worked out on it, I've styled it, I've used product on it, so it is ready for some cleansing. And I always like to do a pre-poo on my wash day. I like to do them on my co-wash days as well, but honestly guys, sometimes I just run out of time. So throughout the week I do try and co-wash not as much as I can, at least co-wash once a week, so that my hair is nice and hydrated and moisturized. So I haven't washed my hair in a week, and the last time I did wash it, did I use shampoo? I don't think I did. So yeah, the last time I washed it I did co-wash, so my hair needs a nice detox, if you will. So I just went ahead and sectioned off my hair, and it's funny, I usually do my pre-poos on like damp hair, so doing it on dry hair is going to be quite interesting. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the product. This has no mineral oil as well as no petroleum, it says on the top, on the lid, which is really nice. It honestly looks like a face mask, guys. I'm not going to lie, when I opened this I was like, wait a second. But it looks really nice. It looks like one of my clay masks for my face. It smells like, I feel like, men's cologne. So if you don't like the smell of men's cologne, I don't think that you will like this scent. I feel like that is maybe the Moroccan Rasoul clay. Rasoul? I don't know. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this because like it said to apply it on dry hair. I'm just going to run a comb through my hair. As you guys can see, my ends are like super dry because I've just had my hair in a bun all week, so I haven't really done anything to it. I did do a braid out a few days ago, but I didn't wear it like completely like a braid out, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see the consistency first. Ooh, she's pretty thick. She's pretty thick. Like if I hold it over, it's not going anywhere. It's really thick, actually. It's honestly, guys, if I didn't know any better, I would put this on my face. So let's go ahead. It's really thick, as you guys can see. Let's go ahead and apply it. I'm nervous. It feels nice so far. It doesn't say how much to apply, so I'm just gonna go ahead and guess this much. So it feels very strange applying something like this to dry hair. It feels so weird, but I mean, I hope it works. So I'm just gonna tie this part up and go ahead and just work on a smaller section just so that I can get it all over my hair. This is what I usually do with my pre-poos anyway. I do section off my hair just because I find that it's easier to get like to my roots and my new growth and everything like that. So like you guys can see, it's really thick. Like it's making my hair stand up on end. So I'm just working this through. So far so good. It's not really doing anything. It has softened out my hair. You guys saw my ends were pretty frizzy. It did make my ends pretty soft. So I'm enjoying the way that is feeling. So I'm just going to split this section in two again and put this section up. Grab some more. I'm going to grab like that much, if you guys can see. Because I feel like it needs to be like in there, you know, like swimwear. So I'm just applying this. It doesn't feel like I'm putting on like a leave-in conditioner or anything. I think that's because of the cleansing and like detoxifying properties of it. But it does feel like it's softening, if that makes sense. Like not like crazy soft, like I'm putting in a deep conditioner, but like soft enough. So it's feeling nice. So I'm gonna let down that last piece. It's just so weird not applying this on wet hair. It just feels so weird. Have you guys tried out this product before? Let me know down below, and how do you guys like it, or how do you guys use it? Did you find that it works better on damp hair? Because like I said, this is my first impression of it, but you know, I like to follow the rules the first time, and then once I see how a product works for me, I'm able to like finagle it, or if I just know like, hey, like this is not gonna work out for me, then at least I tried it, right? So that's the first section. It just looks like that. It's really, really like saturated, I feel, which is nice. So I'm just gonna twirl that up to get it out of the way. I'm gonna work on this bottom section and do the same exact thing. I'll just show you guys how I apply it on this side as well, just one section, and then I'll go ahead off camera and do the rest so that I don't bore you guys to death. So this side is the same. It feels soft. Like you guys saw, my ends were like pretty crusty dusty, not gonna lie. And they did soften it. It does feel soft, I'm not gonna lie. It does. So that's always good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, apply this to the rest of my head, and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. And yeah. Alrighty guys, the product is all in. I feel like that took forever, but maybe I just was not focused. So of course, always gotta get that nape. Boom, don't forget your nape. Hashtag don't forget your nape. So I'm gonna leave this in probably for about 15 minutes. I think I'm gonna go ahead, walk my dog, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it's looking like. And I think I might just wash it out and then come show you guys what it looks like before I like go ahead and shampoo and condition and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys in a second. Hey everyone, so I'm back and my hair feels really, really nice, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it's not as moisturized as I would like. Usually when I do my pre-poo, I use a conditioner and like all my oils and everything, but it does feel soft, if that makes sense. It's not moisturized, but it's soft. Like my ends and everything, you guys saw my ends are pretty raggedy, but like now they're really, really smooth. So what I've come to find with this is that I'm probably going to use this in conjunction with my oils. So I'm going to maybe add some olive oil to it, some jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, any type of oil, and I think that that will take this to like the next level. I don't think I'll use this on its own again, but maybe take like a scoop or two and put it in a bowl and mix it in with some oils like I said. I think that will like make this like super, super like amazing. I'm going to repurchase it for that reason, and probably on my co-wash day I'm going to take like 2 scoops of this and maybe put in some oils and stuff, maybe to thin it out a little bit. And I think that will be amazing on my hair, because my hair does not feel bad by any means. Like it feels like my scalp has been like almost washed. Like that's how it feels, but like in the best way possible, if that makes sense. Like even some of like the particles that I had in my hair, like they're gone. It's really, really nice, guys. As I was washing it out, it's funny because it looks like you're washing out like a clay mask or something. Well, it is a clay mask, like a face mask. You know how like when you wash a face mask off, it's like gray in the sink? That's how it looked with this mask, so it was really funny. But I really do like this. On its own, maybe I'll give it a 7 out of 10, but I feel like once I add my oils to it, it'll be like an 8.5 out of 10. I will definitely let you guys know how my hair reacted to this, probably in like a pinned comment down below once I try this out. It's currently Sunday, so I'll tell you guys, I'll leave a pinned comment probably on Wednesday letting you guys know how it worked out for me. But I really do like this. It isn't a bad product by any means, but you know, I feel like with any product, you have to find how it works for your hair. There's really any product that I have that I can just take straight out of the bottle and it works for me, like shampoo wise, you know, and like conditioner wise. So I really do just like to elevate my products with some oils. So that's what I'll be using this for. But if you guys have used this product, let me know how it works for you. Like, do you switch up how you use it? Maybe even applying it on damp hair. Let me know if you guys have tried that. But yeah, I really do like this. It was $6.48, I believe, at my Walmart, which is not pricey at all. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If it was informative, you learned something, you're gonna go out and try this, definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.